Miss Merle and the deadly secret she held inside.
Miss Merle was a woman of grace, proper, well kept, always smelled like talcum powder and mint. She was known in her lane as the woman who don't even burp. One of those ladies who would cross her legs so tight you'd think she was hiding the Queen's jewels under there. But Miss Merle had a burden, gas, a dangerous boiling back up in your chest gas. See, Merle didn't believe in farting around her partner, Randolph, no matter what. They were together for 7 years, and not once, not even a tiny perp had passed between them. The only time she farted was when he wasn't around or she gets a bathroom break. Every time she felt it rising, she'd clench her whole life shut. Knees, thighs, spirit. Whether at church, work, in bed, or taxi ride, fart must not pass. It was against her principle, against her pride, against her lady code. But the pressure was building. One Friday evening, after eating cornmeal porridge, boiled, dumplings, curry chickpeas, and a slice of yam, Merle felt the rumble. She was home with Randolph, watching TV. He was relaxed, legs up, belly out, letting out little burps and giggles. But Merle, she was stiff like concrete. She crossed and uncrossed her legs, shifted on the cushion, squeezed her pillow, breathed shallow.
Merle, you good?
Randolph asked.
I'm good.
She smiled weakly. That night, the pain started. It crawled from her belly to her back. At that time it was 3 a.m. She was on the floor, curled up like a boiled shrimp. Eyes shut, sweating, crying, couldn't move. Randolph rushed her to the hospital. By the time they reached, Merle had collapsed. The doctor's words were chilling.
Sir, I'm afraid, but your wife did make it.
What? What happened?
Well, her stomach was filled with built-up gas. She suffered a silent internal rupture. From the x-ray, she held it in too long.
So, you're telling me, just kill me, woman. Oh, Lord.
Oh, Mr. Randolph, I'm sorry for your loss. But to put it bluntly, yes, it was extreme gas retention, a condition caused by fear of releasing. I've never seen anything like this.
The whole community was in shock. The woman who never farted, the woman who held herself together so tight that it tore her apart. Final lesson?
Let this be a warning. Never hold back what's meant to come out. Whether it's a dream, a feeling, or a fart. Because in the end, a fart held too long becomes a silent killer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a little comment if you like this video.